Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian, Daniel, and friends. Before we jump into Daniel, let me just shout out real quick the things that I have going on in case you're interested. In January, the 18th, the 19th, for 2 days, there's going to be a 2-day online channeling class learning the light, medium, and deep states of channeling along with light language. And then in April, we just got it back on the calendar for Egypt. It's going to be a 9-day Egypt retreat or journey with an optional 3 more days in Hurghada in the Red Sea, which is amazing. That's not quite all done on the website yet, but if you're interested, you will be going to my website, traciemahan.com. Hopefully that'll get up in the next day to 2 days. So maybe by the time you're watching this, it'll be ready. Anyways, if not, you can email myself or Laura Mitri and we can get you the details, okay? And then in June, we have the cruise from Iceland, a 10-day cruise in Iceland, where we're going to go to Iceland and Greenland. There's 7 different stops on this cruise, and there's going to be 3 days of lectures and spiritual workshops to do. So come check that out as well. I'm doing that with Julia Cannon and with Trina Shernan. So check those out. Those are all on my website, traciemahan.com. Thank you so much. Now let's go find out what Daniel has to say. We breathe it in. We thank you for being here. As we are all acclimating, getting ready for the energy of 2025. As we have continued to talk to you about many things that are changing in your realities, you're shifting the new energy. We also want to address that with this energy, all the things that are no longer going to be a vibrational match to the constructs that are happening will be dropping away. And to have you be in awareness of that. So if you are in a situation, a job, a relationship, a living situation, whatever it might be, that is not an energetic and conducive match to where you are heading or where your intentions will take you, then you may find some ripples in that. And we say to you that you hold lots of power in this, you hold lots of energy in this. What would you like to have happen? How would you like it to shift? And how can you do that coming from a place of love? And so as you are journeying through these next few months into the new year, into this energy and frequency and vibration, you are setting intentions. You know how you want to feel. You know how you want to be in the world. And the world around you is starting to create those changes within you and around you. And you will find that there are going to be things that you will no longer tolerate or that you are ready to move away from. And in that, you will find that if you stay true to yourself and that you love yourself in this change, this time of change, and be fluid with it, you will find your way through it. You'll navigate through it in the best way possible. As you move through the changes, as you embrace all the things that are waiting for you on the other side of that change, you will find yourself moving into a new direction, into a happier existence environment, one that supports you, one that reflects back to you the love that you have taken for yourself and making the change. We would like to just look around at the audience at this moment and just see how this is all moving through each of you. As we are looking, we want to tell everyone to just breathe in. Allow your bodies to accept the air and the oxygen and move it through the body. Allow yourself to be in awareness, to be in the journey, to be in love with yourself, with this journey, and with the people and the loved ones around you. It is not always what you want it to be or what you hope to see. But when you send it love, when when you are receiving it from a loving place, when you're not trying to fix it, trying to change it, trying to control it, you can see it will change in its own ways, in the most perfect ways. And it will start to flow, and the energy will flow. And you'll be a part of that. As you are opening your hearts up to this new flow, this new way, you're ready to set your boundaries. You're ready to love yourself. You're ready to love others and accept them where they are at and understand that they are on their own journeys and they are expressions of that journey. And it's okay. They are perfectly and exactly where they are meant to be, as are you. As you integrate this and see it in a more expansive way, I invite you to rise up above your bodies and look back down at yourselves from a higher perspective. Look at the bigger picture. Allow yourselves to be in this extreme and beautiful place. As we are scanning, as we are looking, we are seeing that there are some of you where the old wounds are coming up. They are surfacing, and they are meant to. They are meant to. They're coming in and they are coming up and they are becoming in your awareness because it is ready to heal and be nurtured. And so we say to you, of course it didn't feel good. Of course you're sad. Of course you wanted it to be different. Allow yourself those feelings. Did it hurt? Was it unfair? Does it leave you feeling disappointed or uncertain or alone or scattered? Fragmented even. And we want to love the parts of you that are surfacing in this way, that are showing you what is ready to heal. As we hold this with you, and together, we love this part of you, this part that was able to feel so deeply, this part that was able to feel misunderstood or misdirected, misinformed, misguided. We say over you a prayer in light language, and if it resonates for you, just take it in. Pushata deva kochane masakutu. Shatuna makia gala o asuntu di bakato shalaribe ona. Ona asaja tologe banja shobadone. Uena eko tamota asashanu de like burn shunding. Tamakata shodambada de pakotom. Swim aindaka. Totamadori shewabokota. Ma oe. Ukandu shalana de pakotom. Imota. Mata tani mekadoshan that putanat kute. And breathe. And breathe all the way down into the root. And bring all of it up from the root, all the way through the body as you exhale and blow this energy out. Release it from the body. Allow for the energies, the light, to transmute it and repurpose it into something much, much better that will bring you back joyful returns. Do it again. And you feel the joyful returns coming back to you one more time. Allow yourself to be filled all the way to the brim with the joy. You are worthy of that. You are deserving of that. You have worked hard. You have worked hard. And you are here now. And it's time. As we hold this energy, we sustain the energy. We call in each other, great brothers and sisters of the stars. It is time to shine your light as bright as you can. Be the beacons through your examples. Walk your talk, right? Be the light for others where you can. And honor yourself along the way. You are also going through some changes, and there will be moments where you need to honor how you feel. Be in your truth as you are on your journey. One more scan. We're not sure what this message means. We're hearing to say it's time to take it down. It's time to take it down. And we're hearing whoever needed to hear that will know it is for them. It could be more than one person. It's time to take it down. Whatever that means for you. And great and dear ones, we thank you. We thank you for being here. We thank you for your love, your support in this community. With great love and appreciation, we will bring back Tracie. We thank you for letting us be a part of your journey today and for being a part of ours. We thank you. Time to take it down. Well, it's kind of funny that that's what came to my mind for that was that I have a little angel that came into my life that's helping me revamp my YouTube page and my videos, hopefully being more pleasurable to experience my videos through these changes. And for me, it was time to take down that old version. It was time for something new to come in. So maybe something like that's going on for you guys where it's time to revamp something. It's time to let go of something that an old look or an old way that you were approaching something and try something new. That might be what that's for too. So you guys, thank you so much. Please click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Click the bell if you want to be notified, and click the thumbs up so that I can get this video shared around a little bit more just by your participation and clicking that thumb. Comments, I love your comments. Thank you. And thank you to everyone who keeps those light and bright and cheerful. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And with that, my dear friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.